Good day everyone. My name is Giancarlo Nobly Gaurana. I'm 25 years old and I'm already third year college in Calamansi campus, SKSU. And my mother's name is Ellen Noble Gaurana and my father's name is Salvador D. Gaurana. And I'm the third of four siblings, and I'm already a public servant, Iski Kagawad, and my strength is connecting deeply with God, because God is important to our daily life, and much better the God is deeply connecting with us. And my weaknesses is my parent, because if they gone, that's my weaknesses, my parents also. And my hobbies is reading books like geographic and watching TV like sports, volleyball. I'm also a active public servant like basketball. And by the way, I live in Libak, Sultan Kudarat, Poblacion Dos, Arwilio Perez Senior. I'm glad to introduce myself. That's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching.